Right now, where we are, this is Gazi Bay. Behind me are members of the Gazi community plus the committee for Mikoko Pamoja. We have a special project today. We are preparing a nursery for planting mangroves. We look for the seedlings, then we take them to a place where the nursery is and we plant them there. It is not easy because the survival rate of our seedlings is very low. Sometimes you plant 2,000, you take 2,000 seedlings into the nursery and you get only 500. And those 500, when you plant them in the project area, you sometimes only 300 survive.
This is one of the bays that has got the blue carbon ecosystems in this area. That is consisting of both the mangroves, the seagrass, and the corals. The mangroves and the seagrass help a lot in carbon sequestration. These blue carbon ecosystems help a lot in providing feeding grounds and also habitat for the fish.
So once we identify our bed as these, we randomly throw the quadrat like that. We count the number of shoots. And then from here, we are going to do now sediment coring.
Roots.
Yeah. So we can get a pail.
One of the current problems that is facing the world is climate change. And blue carbon ecosystem is of significance because one of its major functions is to sequester carbon. So I was much driven by the aspect that a lot of research, especially for Gazi Bay, has been done on mangroves, but seagrass, not much of it actually.
Our project is famous, but we don't have an office. We use the Kenya Marine Fisheries Research Institute office. The money we are getting is very little up to now. It's not enough to accomplish big projects in the community. When we tell them we have some money from the sale of carbon credits, what would you like us to do with the money? Some of them are, some of the villagers, mostly women, are telling us that why don't you do some microfinancing? You loan us some of the money, then we'll pay back. We always tell them this project is ours. It belongs to the community. The whole community of Gazi and Makongeni, every villager is a member of Mikoko Pamoja. Yeah. That is what we tell them.
As an early scientist in this field, I feel like looking into problems, as in looking into solutions for these problems, will be of great importance to communities in the coastal areas, to Kenya, and to the world as a whole.